Our society runs on energy technologies that are inefficient and detrimental to life on our planet, while clean and sustainable technologies have been around for years. GlobalBEM, the Breakthrough Energy Movement, will identify, promote, and aid the development of these technologies. Energy is all around us, and we don't mean the current coming from the socket in your wall. We are talking about the energy from the vacuum. We can directly tap this infinite sea of energy with surplus energy systems that we call breakthrough energy technology. But why are these technologies not available yet? This is due to lack of research, funding, and awareness. GlobalBEM is building a worldwide network between inventors, developers, investors, and donors to benefit business and the consumer. In order for us to fulfill this ambition, we need additional funding. That is why we're looking for donors that recognize the importance of our mission. How do we plan on doing this? First, conferences. GlobalBEM will organize an annual gathering that will unite great minds and innovators from all over the world to share their knowledge, present their technologies, and discuss further steps for development and deployment of breakthrough energy technologies. Secondly, an educational resource database. GlobalBEM creates a rich and widely accessible media resource for the purpose of informing and activating the broader public. The history, mechanics, and implications of future breakthrough energy technologies will be monitored and shared. Last but not least, the global movement. GlobalBEM initiates and acts as a facilitator for global communities. We're building an independent network and information platform for researchers, policymakers, donors, investors, and everyone that wants to be involved.